Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today my client will be getting a protein treatment, a ends trim, and a silk press. So that's what we'll be doing today. So she did express to her mom that she was ready to wear her hair naturally straight, and so today is going to be her first silk press with me. Yay! So let's jump right in. Right here, you can see me sectioning her hair. It's about 4 to 5 sections. And I'm doing this just so I can separate her hair and detangle each piece. Just so you won't be pulling and tugging on her hair, because, natural hair is tough. She's strong, okay? So, you want to make sure you're being as gentle as possible, but as thorough as possible. And so that's why we section off. And then after I section off her hair, I'm gonna go ahead in with my blow dryer. I'm gonna stretch her roots out first and just hover my blow dryer over her hair just to stretch it out. After that, I take my vent brush and I vent out the ends of the hair, and it's way easier to do it that way, so you won't get a lot of tugging and pulling and breaking and snapping. And then after I use my vent brush, I go in with my Denman brush, and the Denman brush is just to stretch the hair as much as possible and to get it prepared for the next step, which is the flat iron. And so we do that all over her hair until I'm done stretching and drying and getting all the water out of her hair, not the moisture out of her hair, but the water out of her hair. A small tip is to always use the nozzle at the tip of your blow dryer. It allows you to have direct heat exactly where you want it to go, so that the cuticles will always lay down smoothly like they're supposed to and not be disturbed. So once you've completed the entire blow dry, it should be looking like this, ready to flat iron.